I have sat across from many speakers and consultants making unfounded claims. Meeting you was a refreshing departure. You promised me a team that would be more productive. You have certainly delivered on that promise, not by training my people, but by teaching them to train themselves. Jack Day, Director, John Wiley & Sons, Inc., New York, New York.
I think I'm fortunate I love what I do, and I think people pick up on that. And I've been lucky and fortunate. I've been doing this for 10 years now, and every single time that I'm in front of a group, every single time I'm working with a group, I feel like it's my first time. I have an excitement that I think people feed off of. And another thing is I've been told over and over and over again that people don't feel like I'm separate from them. People don't feel like I'm above them. People don't feel like I'm talking down to them. People don't feel like I'm, you know, up there, the speaker or the person running the workshop, and that they feel like I'm one of them. They feel like, you know what, this guy knows and understands. This guy's been there. This guy's been through stuff. This guy knows what I'm feeling. This guy knows. I have people ask me over and over and over again, do you work here? Have you been here? Do you work here? So I think the biggest thing is I don't think it's about me. I think it's about them. And my job is to pull information out of the room, not push information to them, not push anything down their throats. And I really truly believe that there's an awful lot of talent in any organization, and most people just need a vehicle to bring that out. And I just try to position myself to help be the vehicle to bring that out.
For more information about Michael Corcoran, contact the provider of this video.